Hi, I'm Scott Hooper, one of the managers here at Greensboro Auto Center. Today we're going to talk about ResistAll Interior and Exterior Protection Package. ResistAll is an interior and exterior protection package. An application is applied to the vehicle, both interior and exterior. The application is applied to the interior of the vehicle, protects the inside against any type of food spills or stains, protects against any type of dye transfer, and also protects against pet stains. The application on the exterior vehicle does protect the vehicle against any type of environmental damage from acid rain, bird droppings, tree sap, or anything to that nature. With the applications applied to the vehicle, any interior stains should be able to be removed with regular soap and water. If they cannot be removed with soap and water, you can contact the ResistAll company and they will actually send someone to have the vehicle professionally treated. At that point, if the stains still cannot be removed, the program will pay to have the carpet or the upholstery replaced for you. With the applications applied to the exterior vehicle, any type of environmental damage to the vehicle, the program will pay to have the vehicle repainted for you. There is no deductible for this program, and it protects the vehicle for up to 7 years.